Hi friends, I'm Sharon Cox, team lead of the Sharon Sells Houston team in Houston, Texas. This is my 8th video, and I picked a spicy topic for us today, seller's disclosure. If you've never had to complete a seller's disclosure for a home that you're selling, just know it asks a lot of questions. And if you have, you're probably shaking your head in defeat already. To really drive the point home, 0 times out of 100 has a homeowner contacted me with excitement about completing this form. And if you didn't know, Texas law requires most homeowners complete a seller's disclosure when selling a home. In fact, most states require the use of seller's disclosures. Before we jump in, I need to give a legal disclosure. None of the information contained in this video should be considered as legal advice. I do not play a lawyer on TV, and I definitely don't pretend to be one in my real estate business. I'm simply sharing information to help you better understand why seller's disclosures matter. Because checking the wrong box, omitting details, or guessing can become a very costly mistake later. Texas Realtors have 2 promulgated forms available for their use when working with you. One, provided by the Texas Real Estate Commission, provides the minimum disclosure information required by the state. The other version was created by the Texas Realtors Association and is a much more comprehensive version, one that I personally and professionally believe every homeowner should use to minimize their risk. That being said, when you're working with the Sharon Sells Houston team, we encourage strongly that our clients always choose the more comprehensive Texas Realtors disclosure. We also encourage our sellers to complete and be able to provide these disclosures to any interested party prior to entering into a contract. Listen, many people assume that lawsuits only happen over major structural defects like foundations, but there are many disputes that come from things like plumbing leaks, water intrusion, mold, HVAC failures, drainage issues, roof leaks. And listen, if this were Family Feud, I bet you were going to guess previous flooding. Spoiler alert, many of these claims come up months or even years long after we've completed your sale. If you would like to see an informative chart about required disclosures and buyer remedies, get your phone camera out and point it towards the QR code in the link. If you're interested in recent research discussing the most common claims and the issues most frequently litigated regarding seller's disclosures, check out the article that we linked in the bio. When you work with the Sharon Sells Houston team, we're going to have you complete your seller's disclosures online. But there's some helpful information that you can gather prior to completing it that'll make your life a little bit easier. Information about your homeowners association, the age of your mechanical systems, the age of your roof, any claims that have been previously filed, and any information on flood zones, if you're in one or not, or if you have flood insurance. These things will help you get a jump on completing your disclosure. And if you like information like this, be sure to check out our other videos and be sure to like and follow our YouTube page. We also ask anybody to submit information about topics they would like us to discuss. When you're done watching this video, be sure to go and check out the supplemental video that I created that guides you through both the Texas Real Estate Commission Seller's Disclosure Form and the Texas Realtors Seller's Disclosure Form. We appreciate that you've tuned in today. We hope to work with you in the future. I'm Sharon Cox. Talk to you soon.